Hello, I'm Chuck Frelick, president at TAG. TAG is a home decor wholesale company and a leading consumer brand based out of Chicago, Illinois. We have been servicing the independent specialty retailer for over 47 years. These valued customers are the motivating force behind what we do on a daily basis. Our mission is that we look to inspire you and spark authentic, connected moments through beautifully designed and purposeful products. TAG believes in the power of beautiful objects and connecting you to what is new, inspiring, and helpful so that you in turn connect to those you love.